Hello guys, welcome to GhanaToday TV, and once again, I'm Nana Kofi. I'm here to bring you another trending and exciting story on social media. So yes, LIL WIN is in the news again, this time with Stonebwoy. So we all know that LIL WIN is undergoing some massive projects in Kumasi, which he calls Cocoa season. Now we've seen a lot of celebrities pass through. I'm talking about Kwesi Arthur, I'm talking about Joey B, I'm talking about Sister Debbie, I'm talking about Papi Kojo, and a whole lot of Kumawood stars also passing through. Now there is pictures circulating on social media where LIL WIN and Stonebwoy are in this picture. So a lot of people are saying, is this one too the same Cocoa season that you are doing? Because in the picture LIL WIN doesn't appear to be in his Cocoa season costume, where we have some gray mustache and some gray beard and stuff like that, and some old guy vibe like that. This one is different. So apparently the news reaching us, or the news that people are actually spreading on social media, is that this is a different series or a movie that LIL WIN is actually doing. Now in this movie he's actually a mechanic so that one too, he started production. Stonebwoy is actually on it and he's doing it. So apparently LIL WIN has handed Stonebwoy his first movie role, and it wasn't anywhere but in Kumerica and Kumawood. So yes, big up to LIL WIN and big up to Stonebwoy, Charlie. We are already waiting for his Cocoa season to come out, because it looks like it's going to be massive. It has all my favorite people on there. I'm talking about Kwesi Arthur, Joey B, Papi Kojo, Sister Debbie, you get it, a whole lot of people, and it's really massive. LIL WIN already says that he wants to bring back the Ghana movie industry. He wants this to revive it. Yes, Opese sounds so active beam. So he's hoping that this whole production that he's doing will actually bring back movie makers into the system, you get it, because will be at investment. So he says he's actually doing this to revive the whole Ghana movie industry, and Charlie, we are here for it to support him any way that we can. So big up to LIL WIN and big up to Stonebwoy. Boy, Charlie, Ghana is always here for it, you get it. I'm actually really waiting for that LIL WIN series or movie called the Cocoa season. It will be massive. So yes, it's GhanaToday TV. Please do to subscribe, and thank you very much. It's Nana Kofi. Okay.